Hi everyone. Thanks for joining me for this lesson. After the first video with 12 verbs, this video covers the next 16 verbs. Let's get into it.
Catch, caught, caught.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
He caught the ball. He caught the ball.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
The police managed to catch the thief after a long chase through the city. The police managed to catch the thief after a long chase through the city.
Repeat.
Choose, chose, chosen.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
You can choose any book you like. You can choose any book you like.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
He chose a quiet place to study because it helped him focus. He chose a quiet place to study because it helped him focus.
Repeat.
Come, came, come.
Listen to the example twice, then repeat.
He has come to the office early. He has come to the office early.
Repeat.
Cost, cost, cost.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
The toy costs $5. The toy costs $5.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
Fixing the car cost him a lot of money. Fixing the car cost him a lot of money.
Repeat.
Cut, cut, cut.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
She cut the paper with a pair of scissors. She cut the paper with a pair of scissors.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
He cut the budget last year. He cut the budget last year.
Repeat.
Deal, dealt, dealt.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
She deals with emails every morning at work. She deals with emails every morning at work.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
We need to deal with this issue before it becomes more serious. We need to deal with this issue before it becomes more serious.
Repeat.
Do, did, done.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
I do my homework every day. I do my homework every day.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
They do volunteer work at a local shelter on weekends. They do volunteer work at a local shelter on weekends.
Repeat.
Draw, drew, drawn.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
I draw with a pencil. I draw with a pencil.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
He likes to draw simple maps when he travels to new places. He likes to draw simple maps when he travels to new places.
Repeat.
drink, drank, drunk.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
She drinks milk before going to school. She drinks milk before going to school.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
They drink coffee together during their break at work. They drink coffee together during their break at work.
Repeat.
Drive, drove, driven.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
I drive a bus. I drive a bus.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
Many people drive to work early to avoid heavy traffic. Many people drive to work early to avoid heavy traffic.
Repeat.
Dig, dug, dug.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
I dig a small hole in the garden. I dig a small hole in the garden.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
Farmers dig the soil before planting vegetables. Farmers dig the soil before planting vegetables.
Repeat.
Eat, ate, eaten.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
I eat rice for lunch. I eat rice for lunch.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
Many students eat fast food when they are busy with exams. Many students eat fast food when they are busy with exams.
Repeat.
Fall, fell, fallen.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
Leaves fall from the trees in autumn. Leaves fall from the trees in autumn.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
Temperatures often fall quickly at night in desert areas. Temperatures often fall quickly at night in desert areas.
Repeat.
Feed, fed, fed.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
I feed my cat every morning. I feed my cat every morning.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
She feeds the baby with a small spoon. She feeds the baby with a small spoon.
Repeat.
Feel, felt, felt.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
She feels cold in the morning. She feels cold in the morning.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
He feels tired after a long day at work. He feels tired after a long day at work.
Repeat.
Fight, fought, fought.
Listen to the first example twice, then repeat.
He fights hard to win the match. He fights hard to win the match.
Repeat. Listen to the second example twice, then repeat.
Doctors fight diseases to save patients' lives. Doctors fight diseases to save patients' lives.
Repeat.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing and stay consistent. If you enjoyed this lesson, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.